Here's baby. What's up? Membonyum. Okay? Membonyum. I'll say member na man. What's the member? From na be da do nka se ni ebe twisoro e be kai mu ma mo go to abafu take me down to the world yeah e be timi amagana e tumo e be sika e na hoto e di etuma e timi agoma e ka ha so e obi na na no push Christ, say one. Take my eye. Christ, take my eye. Christ, take my eye. Christ, take my eye. I never do it to you. Take my eye. One factory, no crew. Education better than yes, I did for yes. That can now. No, I change. Oh my. Oh yes,
education, I boy. Oh yes, more. Electricity, no student, so. Oh yes, more. I'm Papa be an anaye. I still find it to my. You see that now, and nurses. Oh, yes, mom. Mama. Please in the high school for you, I say. Oh, yes, mom. Don't forget to watch some of yes, I did for yes. Hey, hey, watching G. Oh, my God. Oh, yes, mom. Free education, I'm wire. Oh, yes, mom. Electricity, no student, so. Oh, yes, mom. So let's say one to me. Make sure to tell my one to me. If you see that I do it, tell them say yes, that's my God bless lawyer John Kuma, John Bodu, one of Canadian Japan, Patricia Piaget, so Payoma, Samuel Kuoso, Dr. Francis Adobako.
Hello. Say you're feeling the vibe. It's not the memo be a please. I was a jinemu crama. I was a jinemu. We have to. I was a jinemu adiache cry na me pamche. I was a mujam because we need it. We need it. Our 4 years depend on you guys. I will check for when me and mama tunina. Our life depends on you people. Enti unta bananya utwanya unkwana utwama utwama Ghana ni bia. Enti please and please again. Nyankopon adom. Miss Bell say audio no, it wasn't fake. Miss Bell dey no krenti no. Bibia mu na mpenasem. Say Miss Bell ambe kesi anka say ya doki tape no. Miss Bell ambe kesi amanfo anka say mentro ni tasa Miss Bell dey no krenti no. Miss Bell kwa Sunday MP me say nka Ghana beto ama. For her truth, Miss Bell no krenti no. Miss Bell on standing MP and I say omoma na ibi nka me beto ama because Miss Bell cannot cry. Miss Bell didn't come and deny the fact to say Jimmy. Ya Jimmy and yoma ye say ya wa ya sumu no ka cha say ya board dam na ya no cry. But say obi person odin hu obi etu obi nche say asem ya no krenti no. Mo amu bru nua say ye hu audio na ye say ye no. Ye mani abrabo mu nya ye no. Me pa mo cho enye is over to you. Enua mo bru ye nyina wa we share video ni bi, audio ni bi. Mo say Nyankopon betwia ye kanyina no today we are sending it back to sender. We are sending it back to sender. Say ya soon see ye na nsamani ntimi ye chedin nsamani ntimi Nyankopon mo obi a unique voice me kasa kra na se wadampo na otime voice ati bi kasa ehunam sadi na kasa yi na mi audio eliki na mi aminim say ye me na me kasa audio imu na me mitimi begina ho de mi sesi me bo ebru nua se enya me a na se enya me na mo de tum se Nyankopon ntwa mo ka na se Nyankopon wa akatwa bi dia anya asem we ye be kwa Antoinette ho ye de be kwa ye na Antoinette ho enya enyina kumasefo enya bi ma bedi German na bi abedi nkran ye nyina we will go back home ye be kwa Antoinette ho e ma akobusa Antoinette they say American in Antoine the Antoine bi mo di Antoinette why American ti Antoine so upgrade no ko ka Antoine akra ugbo ni di na wo bodua na aka Antoine wo mfiu e wo so ka Antoinette e say Antoine di no why enti mon ko so ana mon brundua no mon ko so na mumburu ndua no mumburu enua ya ne ehu amane ya ehu ebe hye nti mumburu enua wai na edua no mu wi a back to sender back to you no kranie mo se mo de no krani de mo mfa entro obi na soma o me na me soma se me na me frɛ o obi tene be na akɔ frɛ no na ebu aka okɔ mutimi gya ho sign ho say is a dog tape obi kura bebu sa me se ni kunu na etwe ho sa ade na no krɛ enti opa me twa no krɛ na sister wo so bebu sa me ye record ada na mo hobi ye nyina kwankwansafo mienu akwankwansafo be mienu na wo bebu sa me se audio no kunu so opese o ye sure say ye no krɛ audio na wo bi ntinke duabo nti nya yankopon na Mizbel wa fa Mizbel mu etimi adi ye ho afofi anka ye ne ye manyina anka ya boye duo na obia mo ye dua sabola bed obia mo ye duo sabola bed beti aburu mi miti obi nua manaka mayi foi me ma papa ye ewu ase yi asem nka be me ya pa enti mo amubusa am say no kra no me na me kodoki me ya tape back to sender say back to sender si aboya nsamba mpaya ebi abobia abola bed abetina ho ade buru yen daddy Fred ni o mama kanyina daddy Fred yeah sorry why ya pa chom daddy Fred ya pa chom ebi abowe back to sender ebi abowe back to sender mia mimi tu o mi bia me kasa mi asem ba na sama ya ade na me wo right people kura me nkasa be me den I won't talk, but some of my big jump in the pen, Macassa, and Yammy, me was so a mere dear. I saw about Brunia Kahodi. I said, Quarano, man, and our move in Quarano, because I see a John Maya Bonnie, or Mudio Movuko. Now, I catch him. Say, if I'm a cassa, may I not me Jimmy more than this, but may come in manner. Or more can it be a little bit on the Quacoshe, a you swabber or dear Yakran is our bema. None a girlfriend, a pen woman, and obey you soon to dear woman is a tape. Nanka ya de kwa blackmail NDC for tape na ba out no e nipa da sani ne kuta tape no anko de kwa blackmail NDC for my bomb and some mama all those some very but I applaud you for this. Someone say no to blackmailing. I applaud you NDC radio mobile but me bomb and say mama say I do video audio ne ba ya say ya ma 40,000 and ba 40,000 no me pa cho me tie consament ye me nya show say cities because cities are 400 million and so ni di and the 40,000 na be dollars na is 400 million times 5 na is e ka ko pay compare I couldn't even translate it to pay na is pay na nka nipa da sani oba besia nka audio no o say especially di abamu nti okuta audio no into a man for 40,000 a man mo beden or beliki audio no na NDC for say audio we die hwinim audio we obi na ewom audio we entra hwe obi na manage obi account na obi manage obi account we nyi obi ebetwa 40,000 NDC for me boma baso NDC for me boma baso NDC for say 40,000 we die yenchia sa 40,000 we say enya ya nka say di audio ne beba na Ghana fo nyansafo na we audio no atie audio ni mu asem ahwe senyansa wom say because of we say ntini papa akufo betimi ahodi a whole party enya ne papa J party ya papa babewu eja ho be hodi a whole party ransom because of one person and this for my bomb is mama mo pan say mo accepting no matter what abana yeden ya ba ku ne be wini eden abano nipa ba ku ne be wini nipa ba ku ne be wini abano ane enti ma bom nsema mama pa NDC for my idea say mo enfi because nipa blackmail ade oji ba ku ne na o de man na obesa kwa kobusa bi echina papa Mizbel is matured yes because me meti me baby na obi aba na wo bebusa me manum asem sama yese ya seriously one maturity the age say wunyini kwa na wagimi mpo na anya wunyansa enti Mizbel o ya ade pa say de wan so ensem ne so when fee ensem na say she stood her grounds because akraki 20 me bejam bebusa no Mizbel has nowhere to go. Mizbel has been in the NDC ya kaisa Mizbel na wini ensem a Mizbel kai Mizbel enu nyoma bebre kai Mizbel was able to put her life down for NDC na one person enti bra bread no hello please excuse me I'm coming bread no what the two bedi ni nyina you eat everything ubedi bread ni nyina okay there's a family we knew na yamba yo ya jombo ni o miti mebi ubedi kan kura metwe awie na yemi yo ya na mfa ho ben yeah, let's continue. Enti no bit in the baby. As a one person who said that to na normal depending who say like you are in control, you are in there. I don't get it. Enti no me patch audio no is genuine. It's a very genuine audio. Sika na that's here $40,000 US shoppable dollars. US Kwajo Kodia, thank you. We US $40,000 choppable dollars and NDC for which I'm applauding. All those presidents in the crime, I'm a Lucy, Ada Yidi, MPs near member of family, Ebimube, I'm praying for them. If NDC Kwanaway my pa, I'm praying so your people can recognize you and they vote for you. So as I say, you're born pie. Say, well, all these people, Mama Breno, Mube, yeah, for such a chinchina, NDC for we are about governance of Ghana. Say NPP ni nebe renew constituency na wo mwawa me just atoma no nipa na wa uti ukroma nim se wa boa wo no na e de wo so otoma no kwa e de e ba ko pe but overall boss no ne say for more overall boss no ti me just say ya for more for nana enti me masa me sese me gina he na mo se mo mpeme na say admit it blackmailing some 110 drive na mo se mo pe dia Ghana fo ye de mamo dia wo se mo say you are on your own. You are on your own. You are on your own, oh. You are on your own because omuwe yempo na enye. Omuwe yempo na nsem we by 2016 na nsem we by ya we yempo na se besa abaso because when his ex-president no your president the girl wasn't there. Bola Bed wasn't there. In Simusa, the work of Momo Dia, I'm the Miss Bell, Maba Betty from Miss Bell has killed herself. Miss Bell, you need Miss Bell, Castle free and DC Musa here. I'm sure some Miss Bell wouldn't do politics because her whole life she loves NDC. Or Nabra to her. So she doesn't really deserve the air queen now, but I made the same Miss Bell when chantro. Miss Bell, I can't cry what's in Yasa at the end of cry. But same way, Miss Baden or Kai, what's me control be me because I saw Miss Kai and me then say, me 19-year-old boy, true. Me phone me phone. Where cry me hand either so. And I me phone back onto me business line and so me WhatsApp, me fingerprinted that so. Me did you cry and person me be I just me taffy me say, now me the sana for fat my tag dim na say my wife poor you need na say me the atare phone na chance na be. See how come? Assembly is very disturbing. Is the attempt say whole president obi ababa ye minister pen say ni whole phone ontimi any locks and I say ontimi so betimi give you and I don't know whether say na adwene na nipa ni ka wo use here Bola Bed use na anya you say dey ontimi ma say whole president nipa no wabebe dey pen oni she any kind of on his phone somebody can take 110 evidence from his phone to her hard drive. I don't know. Me, I just think that she just went to rub it in Miss Bell's face. Say, oh, right now I'm me. Ain't me massa. Ain't me not possible. Ain't Miss Bell that's a pass. One transfer. One man me body. I'm a casa. Some nenya wabat. What dear. But so what kind? Doctor you and some. Doctor you and some. You're different. Me kunu Doctor you and na some. You're different. Miss Bell Pacho casa in the film. Doctor Ian says what's in the bed, you are drain home. Award near the mamma, moto no be a mamma award. Doctor Ian let me send him rest and a dad in honor of a young mamma award. Now some per much not to, while you're on cash, you're in the fine, or in the bed, memo be uncle Bomi couldn't. Nobody should mention Doctor Ian assembly. Once Mamma said, Mom Rame Pamichopa, Munya Master, I send when Doctor Ian assembly. Or what's the neck, Master, or drain home. No, Jane, pa, Miss Mamma Money Dean. Please. Thank you. If you are oh, that God of Nanado is working. No, they say you can be beyond the bribe. You people are making a which bribe? Nana didn't to me nothing collect bribe. Nana didn't collect bribe. As someone here can it's not about bribe. They have produced the whole video, which means that NPP have been able to produce it. enti munya za na do collecting bribe no je bribe kra na odi anu anuane ama enkwara na di odi aye school fee di ama mo di enti no atika ati atika me pa mo chow they say the enye yi asem ye kan is about 110 evidence in the hard drive and I can say BNI for they should invite her for investigation because on one case we have her on tape which according to the constituency of Ghana no it's against the law so ubenya obi ayi ewo where you can't back up your information say me tia say me ni obi info o me use please I don't because one day I'll share my story. If I tell you the case I have with police, German police, you know, say, Sanyoma, you wouldn't even dare. Until no, sir, you 110 drive, need me patches, a Miss Bell, who I was a Miss Bell inviting me. Now you tell me what J. No, dear, Yanni, oh, now don't plan as a one whom your ma, and I'll make you put dear, not so no, so you okay, it's up to you. Oh, you didn't listen, obviously, Miss Bell, you know. Oh, Simon, okay, I'm coming. Obviously, member Miss Bear, you know, went here. And to be posted to your went here. Went here on. So grab one consolable crowd for. Ah, me post to Miss Bear, then went here. But I'm back a crank. Speeding no crowd won't quit. Oh, my posting was made so. Well, this my phone. The betcha was coming forward. My posting. That's a hen in an aquasi. Na met you when I did beam. Side chick and who fair a your friend. Side chick and who fair a your friend man. Ah, who found my your friend as a one first lay in a personal. Say only the numerous crowd live cry now. 1 minute, I won't see t-shirt any other farmer. Not also pay, not also pay dear Kayamo to him, dear son, and up to you. One Casawasam. Wasam. Oh, Quabina Clement, don't tell me that. Say, how did I know? Say, the 40,000. Say me, Jina, say, Person, me side, me information now. More info. Some I catch him say me more info, pa, na fina. Me fee. Me wo info pa na mo ya na da wo de baba me maka to say da me masem be ba wo anka bi kura me be ha me because enti bi masem ba me anka se me de masem be ba betena ma ya pensem am ye di me masem no ho nkomo enti info ne de ekuta me na me sure say $40,000 na da so 40,000 and da so any e ka che NDC fo say ye ma wo mo some hours NDC for and for 40,000 now by a release the audio because Mahamadin wom man Mahamadin woman Mahamani dear Ben who says I am one person, you are one person accusing somebody. You person in casa say you are the one doing this, you are the one doing this. But didn't say anything. Mahamadin was in way one. His excellency wasn't heard on the phone talking. Even if he was talking, he's a human being. Me pamucho Mahama, ex-president, me pacho, or you're a human being. He is not better than your pastors. On some pastors, for no money, or multiple sorry, no, so many are sorry man in the dano. Also, any penny being teaching you what you have from just say a wrong meat. And think him post and a voice a crowd was so and think I'm not heading. Him post and a voice in post, I'm not heading. Just because of say you're born in Dean Baku Pebe, more percent, more force, more beer, who's someone if Papa go out in tea. And I would come out with senior boss, me patriotic assembly him. Just say what the assembly command is senior boss. Send the senior boss, and then yeah, assembly wage man on only 40,000 got also. And then this if I say 40,000 where the young channel ain't channel snap. Me na me catch down. Hey, charity half an hour, charity adomako. Dada day. Half an hour, share. Half an hour. Oh, charity waba, you are here. Kofi so tano, me na me come it down. If when you answer you, na ya ni adaje papa bia sa. Ah, avia pokuya, ye ni adaje o, hwe. info ni kutam say 40,000 omo kwaje no omo atse junior apprentice any senior madam I kwaje 40,000 so omo di kosiesie dan mu so omo di kwaye dan yo uko fi amanfo car mu chia na eka bi na nipa ne ka so obeji ana mu didi nipa na tem ense mu anyina we know na mo amugu social media na you take people bi amba hu bi amugidi no na ya na ho emobo de owo bia wo so ma wani so wo single room a wo ni obi o 8 bedrooms it's according to who living wo single ni okay man ana obi nso oda 8 bedrooms according to onu so ni living minim sade sana so oda ha na obeda ha fefe na efe so obenya 8 bedrooms wo sorry ya wa wo dia wo 8 bedrooms aso oda ya wa wo dia obi nso rent dan ya onu so ne dia any of my own because I wo 8 bedrooms that's a me mo single room na sade sana me beba wo dem kokokwa sa me pa acho ma me nda wo hall a me say me nda nti on my own no me so me obi nso you be in your own ti me ni bi enti also obi ko envy obi ka say when bring me answer say I don't get it because wo ade ya wo dia me so mo ade ya de eye me dia ni e free amanfo cars ni e videos na obi to one nani wo mu say ya me pa mo cho ya de dama han Accra dan no mesam ya de ma han a month in dollars full houses na ya amuhu no me pa cho ya de ma rent rent yetimi de ma rent full house ebi wo ha 1 year ebi wo ha 2 years ento obi wo ha 1 year ne nso no ya 1 year pe eno kwa sa dan kese ne mfa ma kese just a year enti anu no na se year ni bedru na se nipa no anya sika ho no se masa ko to dan foforo because me too me the damn my rent na so the on social media say dan I don't care because I know say me dan me dia na me I'm doing business with it and obi a oni me susu nim say bia dan me dia I don't care me the dan na man ti the odi be bia and they know say these people they are celebrities enti no wait because so boss I go na me didi nipa no ni hu adaje enti o say move to another house so ma koto dan na so when you break hustle according to your hustle. Brass a bicycle na wo wana sentime de kwa wanima na so obi nso so de car beba betwa wo ho a hune se eye animu na na munya mo kwa ne 5 minutes obedru and 30 minutes kwa na de begu a se nso so wape wonan no e bia nso na de ye training nso parents no emu edu ana meboa ti make sure so be pelia na akwa kodru na bia wo so kodru a wo de wa de beba fi ono so oduru wa na ye je obenante ababak wo di ono so nya na dia eka free eka mo free ene etode mo beton susu na mo be yi na nipa ne ka so obeje balance na mo di ada na edidi atam nipa ne so ene etwa so na ni nyina we ya home we know it but hu na ehia yen we know it so what you say enti mo njan mo better na ma sheda kan say ni say but you people you are all the cause of the problem girls nyina slay ni ade nyina buy where did they start from? Where did they start from? Because nipa no, unya be ye you nipa two pepe who start say ebo udin pe. Then you feel as if say you need something. Unti awachi area joint point me go to awachi. Okay, so abobra. Unti me go to awachi. Unti me nye say na wa person status bi ato so. Na afi de mo call e girls e closet a. Mo ko je o mo ntade a mo say, me de kwaya advert nti ntade nti obi abie boutique. 19 tade celebrities a organ nyina obi aka so obeji atade ndi akoya advertisement na me pa cho nipa no obede no anya ne capital obede no anya ne capital bia o sister me pa cho atade bia o 2200 cedis bia nipa no ko fan 150 o fan 150 nti bia o sister ida so obema 150 na say bia obema 160 po at least say no anya nipa nya 10 free ho na other people are turn 200 amom na wo so ya advert kakra de man da bi mo penyo mani free makeup free ye makeup mama muntia makeup na nipa baba ya mama muntia wo say me de me kra no you kra say mo ya makeup amunji musika enyo nipa na do ko makeup school enyo no na do ko makeup school mo ya makeup amuntia na guess you mo kwa na ese nso obi kuta box ye ejuma pa nso owi ade so sa kokusa be mesika na school no kwa ne kwa because you the celebrities you are not helping the youth, you are not helping them. Makeup na nipa me baba ya ma wa wie na o gini sika no wo se ko na e okra e opportunity kwa se mama wo baba makeup wani funfun wani tantan won be na ye obi fa ne banko sua adwuma na wo ye opportunity kwa se wo de wani mfi na ba me atete makeup na makeup ni sika na nipa ne de ko to ye At least you can pay the person cry for any product no na workmanship no put on the crime wa anya hwede a fine nipa ne de ono ni product baba betiti abole mo anim fi mo anim kankan no wo wi a mo se omo nko wo wi a mo se omo nko just like that you are not helping the youth girls even for hustle kwa paint ade ebi force nyina mo kwa yiyi mo se o fabra empabo mo se fabra ya beto Uturu anu mo free ntade mo free nyoma ba de o de wa Google si wo wo de Google si wo omo yom so mo becho me cry is opportunity cry na me de ama wo cry say fa tade mam na mebo udin na mo so mo age nti obo udin na so bia mecho ade kro na does it put food on your table? Does it put food on your table? I say mo mama Mama Pama Enya easy cry Sandy Enya easy Mwa so na beka na girls no mo mbobra dia no debate most of the so-called celebrities because no Ghana so people want to belong nipa ni obi ehun want to everybody want to be associated with them ukwa no atwa de kro no woni nipa na ka me pa cho e bia se ni se bia atade no kra me se keke na ede me de atwa picture no magbo odi ana se me de koba ma oberu ama no kra dia ana se atade nto a wa hyenso de se untimi nsan wo abroche de obetimi de aba na ya no mfo mu bi kura ma moto mi ade mo bu rolo kra nya papa bi wo yizu na baba atade no ko hye ya no omo kra tu aka atade mi mu obedi asa akwaje ne bag boutique atade uye na kasa fa wade ma me nto na da ne ntoko on fa wade ma enti me som by force celebrity ni ansuma mo you are hurting the youth blackmailing na ya munya you say this for say they are not paying almost they are not paying for anything munja o mo na nko mo fo mo celebrity sa mo nam ho na mbo mo so celebrity na bo mo so mo akasa beto mo makeup mo akasa beto mo ntade it's good to advertise but also ni nipa ne tina say this is what we are going to do but man you sunyansa akro no there are some girls who they are starting up omo shede ni sika biasa obi na aboabo ne mama na aboabo no akwani no adwuma ne ye you can even try and get your own products if you have makeup obetimi anya wa wode o bebra na betwima me na say but be mani pa no baby oti na nipa na start to traffic mu no de ne bag aba no ba betwia ma wo wi a sis e bia how far wo mani sika no entade ezu sa munya ntade ni free no munya edan na bought 5 house this is my third house this is my 10th house so now we know adan em fa bi my rent edi bia my rent what nti munya kasa bebrebe no entobonko agoro so blackmailing ni de me see ya tu oba ni wie for me china na obi ehu ni left from right na china no ongoing ko na mo behu ba bia me kwa kwaji musika afi ana me pa mo cho mo so mo NPP na mbeka so obi hu nti muntu aba no because of say nipa no we mo hi no me se mo nipa no NPP ni fo bi ama ne hwe ono ana asada no mo hwe NPP me se mo go and vote obi ama nipa ne hwe me ma ne nyama adwen say asema si nipa we nwan nti na no voting me se mo NPP fo amfa sika no koma obi a me pa cho Oh yes, I didn't like you. I want them you na a bro be born of Amazon. Evelyn, they are doing oh, may finish our dinner saying, some me titibi. Now me the be young, me you. I didn't hear, maybe I didn't hear saying. Boy, my two I didn't factory, I could be factory. You go may be cross for certain reasons so share but me charge ni kwa ho you ni pada se ni kwa yi embassy na wo pay visa yem fama adwene susu ohia visa adwene mpo oso wo mampo na ya ma adwene visa ya twa adwene kwa ho yi ticket ni e dia ma adwene na adwene abesia na wo ni pa so won fa so aguto we ya hwan ya wo ya ho gaga adwene na wo si yi adwene won kwa visa adwene na what represent to Oklahoma say who ti akwa ukwa cross up visa I am fama PS please ababa na wo boni beni ye e risky at the man enti mi wi adwen why Abigail beba Germany December into oba Evelyn or go na ma sending ni biwa na ne wakwa akoje kwajo kodua I'm living good na me tim sa bo mata so ma to plane ticket afuna no so me kwa friend na ado ta na ado mpa cho so twa plane ticket ma member Ghana me ni adaje sa me nya adaje bia sa many time so ati ase enti mu mpewe na se mu pekaya mu tom dia mo kan kire me mu mpewe o say kreto da ye nwa okay me kan e be ha mu mpewe yo mo se pekaya mu tom pa enti dia be na ye nyam mu mpewe die mu mpewe your original good mu pe fake baby anything within the me to me we get crown put any so obi akwa me address no come on in pede de bia wa ent me ma say ndisi fo abasoma wa me fia by this time we were Babylon boy no ti for mazin onye asuma no I said am am find me agro ma mi mini ayinti a mini card inti anka metwen to aba mini card se monitoring spirit for no so me phone nana Kobi I love you too mommy fever mommy favor mommy favor okay kwajo kodua why always call her bola bed bola bed ni dey your friend enya me nam de man no beti bi kwa kogusa you those call celebs there be bola bed ni dey your friend Thomas Odo thank you bola bed ni dey enya easy say din no beti mi anya na aka say bola bed da form say be mam she ja enya easy say ni pa ba akufo beti mi anya sa title of bola bed ma mi chan bram chan enya easy you are watching me live from Kuwait City. Oh, thank you. Say nkwani ti ami ti bintu kwan yo. Kwani nti we Ghana kra papa nam de ban kwani nti bata mumu peda akra. Kuwait is an ho no metimi mepese me ba be hwe why. Metimi hwe. Na bola bed easy. Easy say metimi afro bola bed nko an ye unique. Say me honam sade me demu ba ku na bola bed so demu ba ku. Easy. Enye easy. Why Brian kasa bi da. Because I didn't know. You find more beer rough. You have to earn it. Mommy favor. You put me go over to bye bye. I think guys azemo ya ba ni ebe kom. Nti acha me pa cho tam be na message voting no. Echna voting ba sha se time ben. Mariam, I love you more. Kofi Mensa. You like me, I like you too. She doesn't like herself. Hey, you know, so already on coupon. Hey, one a small grace on the woman can. My dear, my son got great woman can. Come into me. Budget. So be a back and base on when I want the advert in now to find a chance. Yeah, can you solo quiet? And the YouTube to subscribe. Backgammon. Michael, come stai? Come state? All is good? Hey, mi Italian really help you. Come stai? Bene. Nana. Pinaman. Thank you. So 24/7. I am just slaying your friend. Slaying your friend. I'm sorry how much you treat him. Areas are paper sakwada. And I mean, him new. The real face in pony, say, Muslim in Jamaica. And I'm seeing makeup near the slaying for no. Ya do not more we products no because me jam makeup near and I say, almost so more we makeup number unemployed. Mempesa. And don't tell me to makeup. Yes, say, be I make me hear me. I don't need it. But a Jumana, your friend. Give what belongs to Caesar to Caesar. Agranabo.
Nana, give me mine.
One. Until me no. They talk corset because of say I don't want to put on more mere corset out of a juma. I'm cool like that. Yeah. Sana metie. And make some people are asking why I'm ready. Juice plus no. Still. Still, me patch if you're in Ghana, won't you mean talk food? No, I'm posting my wife. Please don't contact me. Juice plus. Obi anu media you asa the booster no when I check fat no. And if you are in Europe, US, Asia, when I check fat no, ya digu so me anom. And a food supplement. And I go be booster me enku me use please. You need to work yourself inside and out. And sana wako you so enku bi. I'm an abejo because before Bible say me omnim say meka enku bi ana bibisa. It's not about enku because genetics price come. Come. Yeah, come here. Come here, please. Come. Just want to come here. I'm showing something. Come. Raise your head. If I just want, wait. They say half an hour tuntum. Yeah, okay, again. Ain't you know? Genetics. Me my akoko. Second one no why tuntum. Me wo no e fita. Mu ina me wo mo me e fita. But baku akoko baku e tuntum e natural. It doesn't mean that you go and bleach. The second one no so akoko because omo papa e tuntum me akoko ntino. Obi busa me cream. It's not about cream. Me ba penyin no me stand in kuto for 2 good years. Me kwa na me bomb pie say onye tuntum because me na na me ferry. And it's not about cream. To obo bebusa wunku na se wan ka bibi so ya nche na ya na onim se bi a wo boa na se bibi sa mesremo. I don't sra to my kids today don't sra bibi a me you see bi as long as say Emma me nya stretch man say ma me hu nya bibi nti me hu sa de na it's okay. It's not about enku so bi na bibi say nti I say when we work wo hu inside and out. Obi a metimi awo ba waye me wo ne de no I say broni na tuntum kra ni ne ho na me abom pa ya na yankopon adum na ma me as say wa ba form kakra say no or ba form I'm praying cross over say adum bie my de account because one na ma na manfo busa say ne papa ye broni ana esa na mani ewu nti no you have to work yourself inside out so we ni patuntum a na wo pokra wo wa ba no be tuntum Uwa, eno no nso na sa na mo wo nkola na no masate extra nkora no because wo be sa akora ne kala nti se wa because wo wapo kwankora bebre ya sra omo wo sra omo na omo ani ase atotom ne wo se akora ne skin oyo ba ja akora no ba ne tuntum na ekokwa e normal wo na wo pe wa brabo na wasra onu to di more than 18 years no person osra on to person se na brabo ya wa wasem but akora ne so no don't put cream on the akora no ensra wo ba no wapo na wa akra tuntum a let the baby be me manu tuntum wom kokko wom and me mpo keto ane se won be sepani no obi a won kala ono to kra no onye yisa ono so won kala yes come so we so ye e bright kakra but on bright it say pani no enti no mo amugu se nku no work on yourself unum supplement you ma bebre ho a carrot is say we bebre unim we carrot nso so boa for inside ebia unim we a obetimi agreti no carrot we say nso de ya de ni nyina agu one de ya agu de about supplements a obeteki any omega no so here for skin any with nails any with trim you go out trim ekukuni something all these things no you have to be taking it and on e we your full straight and it's working inside now but out into bibi abesre bia enguto dan you and I'm say mo ama wo no so me wo a wo mi anka se mia me nyima me yetum because me mani e sake me omunu bibi afi mu to no baba no e fita na me smash my yetum. You can even take up to 1 year and sakra and when we cry say means rashi I just let nature take its course. Now me and Kasama 22 say oh why PS come what's wrong what happened what did you do to me what did you do to me it's okay shit it's okay what happened Sak mama what is low so why wonye akwa vim no so avim bia wo mia wan e fight and fight say me ade e fight and fight one hello o akwa ketu akwa print to kwa kase ni avim wa afna nkin na ka o ka esa mubo enti please juice plus no draw ho dada enye nne enti mistrama you can contact me. Who bet me a chan in installment. Bet me a chan and kete every month be a kakra benya no what ya. And no never boss saying so we broom kun now ton kun now ton kun now ton kun at the end of the day. What do you aim to achieve? Obo crowd me free Ghana crowd buy a crowd say we are me crowd me buy a crowd minim the anti class after day. Masaya you crowd so now was and we are me but natural and this I want kasa 1 year when you now was a pa. And on our walk Ghana na usu no. One brand no I say you know. You need to take your supplements. Na mun take it because why won't me end in your my baby no supplements no. A day wuti me yini nyina na wono ma. It gives you everything na den. Akwa video ma kwa adwuma ma. Na cream no. Me ya monte so. E mo man no in particular kwara na mo power mo no baby na you know yourselves. Emwa me buy nka obi na nka wo na nka say nka wan sample ba me so kra ya me fere ya say me buy kokko me pese ondum ma me mo so bani abre po mo de so what you say na me ba no ya say akwara into the skin what do you expect say rashes in good ba don't me nko to rashes in ma oba say rashes in good ba me nko to rashes me ba ni me also me start say me the normal a shop nkwa baby me this one pen inside good nti obo nkuto shea butter 2 good years me ba boy na me pese me strani because me so say enkukura kan ho besa yakoko nti me boni nkuto shea butter say da bia me pete nyankopon fa ne kala ne say me ba ne yakoko on fa ne kala ne mpie beti me hu me ba na ne ho abofita because me pese me enkukura be kan kra ne ho kra na chese bibia yem o akoye kokko ahyem enti please enkwara ne munjai wo mo as long as say you have a normal bibia e bia e akwa no okay fine. So rashes in good na mko sasa omu nko na rashes ebegu nkwara no no omu body ni omu tu ho ni ade no so Alice, you use only baby oil. It's good pa because I cry in the body no omu nyi no enti ade no be say no hello woni nebo you get down okay enti baby oil akwa no no won skin no de baye enti nya wo na wasa wo change the pH of that skin wo force ya akra no so mo hunam na very soft wo ntimi ne me ko wo ya metu wo twa water bill light blue this man 2 chairs hello stand there, let me talk to you light blue this man 2 chairs metu you two fish ya si anan wa fa bag na wa ko Ghana si awa Kukubi, I'm fine, and you? That's all. I think that Nana, come to Mama. Auntie Mr. Moan, Quarano in particular, I don't hear me. Children bleaching, no, please stop. Stop and stop again. And my mom phone come missing me. Obi wa me say dey be amekase. If I should miss a cream and sell it to you for your kids, now mekase no I'm using for my son, I'll be lying because me bano. The and if you some people are selling creams to you and they don't even use it on their kids because some man they are fair already. They are fair already. Also so be basking tone. Meanwhile, we are not genetically connected. So until as long as I obano or you okay or you healthy. Or you okay or you healthy no kwadi. No. I was a wujano, more no akasa de ne color neba. So your bana so onyi na so no so bepo. That time ne dia na ne we dia ne nkun kan ho da enti o start so opo bepo fine. Ama ne ho ayefe but say we start epo akwara e won nkura brem na so onyi na skin no say na wie. What says skin no say a lot of children been cry be wo kra obehu sweat mask cry ya ba wo mo why it shouldn't be so. Wo panyin no aba obra is up to you obi ansuma wo na wo do ho no wapo ho eno akwa wa akwara tuntuma is because of say genetics we nya kokko na wo bleach so to wo be tuntuma wo say we live akwa ne sa obi so ho ye ne ferry so be ka say sa den na wo nya tuntum na ba ye tuntum ti na opo akwa no so please munjai na mde anseme enkwa no militant I use olive Vaseline. Yeah, because it's just for moisturizing. Me mom was very dry skin. Me am penny to cry. If I don't even put on any glycerin inside my open woman, I'm a cry for pay. Me want to be for pay as a missy. Yeah, Hamatan cry si boy, so na me tia broche. It's my skin. I have a very dry skin. And to me, I don't really break out. And to be a ube you say it will break you out. To me, it wouldn't because I have a dry skin. And see, sa pimple this and maybe ngumi. It's all be some side and me face. Clear now would you say I could be so oily skin and as a combination dry to oily skin. All these things you have to know and why you see cream and that's why you see makeup next and but people don't know. So he can't say when now boom. Now when you BB film that's all say. Yeah, me ni pana me a dermatologist and me prescribe BB mawa. I don't get the back quite so please. We there the effect but yeah, easy because I have a whole lot of routine. Me try for later me to me. Na me ka say dey bia me dey nchewa. It's not about the cream I use, so it's about what goes into beauty. Exfoliating, this anyoma no makeup obi wo ha we makeup be fie na dey abeda. Ade a chia no afa soap na wo dey awro wanim. Makeup no residue na ka wanim. Anopa no asa asra so nti always no that ni rare skin ni mu you don't know. Now we break out. I baka say be enku bi na ma break out. Meanwhile, so wo na we breaking out because enku a we using we nim how say what we makeup. I was say we using makeup and fen and make ade yi makeup na also exfoliate wanim. Sanyo manyoma ni nyina we nim. But what dey wo ani abere wo penku ebepo. Enku ebeye wo yi. But also you have to care about the beauty aspect. So beauty in your man say ne bo adin because wetin akoto enku bia for less. Now dey abenya problem but removing it no. You have to care for your skin, caring for your skin. So maintenance, so who exfoliating, who using moisturizers, who you say who do when you do all those right things, we wouldn't even need a cream. Ain't about a cream. So what I say? Depends if you live in no. Even if you live in Ghana, it doesn't matter. Even if you live in Ghana, it doesn't matter because how you treat your skin. How you treat your skin and matter and about say what tia say and what tia because sometimes if you say kwa ni ekọ Ghana nkumbi wo ha we use no abrocha enjo because of our so we use no Ghana ebejem obi use ankun bi wo Ghana ye ne kama but wo abrocha we use say ankun na enjo enku bi pe wo ha I don't know say we are charge no say we are no ye ne dan untimi hu and so Mesham dia mu yentwe so lokula asem je nko no. Nanado. What you can na ma yemi aje. Mama moyi die eyesoko.
phone, you know, yes, it was so. Ghana for yes, it was so. If you see that, I do it. Tell them, say, Ghana for you, I say, now, Miss Yana, no. Hey, Dr. Bami, hey. My body and my flow. Hey. One district, one factory. Look go. Free education better Ghana. Economy na say so. Inti abua yehu. Yes I did for yes. Bekana now. Now I change. Oh my Ghana. Oh nana. Oh yes more. Nana. Free education abua ye. Oh yes more. Electricity, no sujina so. Oh yes, more. Papa be an anaye. Oh yes, you for ye, Juma. You see that now, no. Said I'm saying. Oh yes, more. Leadership skills and knowledge, na nanye. Oh yes, more. No down food, never can watch ye. Oh yes, more.
So we are done. Please don't forget to like the page. You know, say I will show you. Wait me, I click your screen also. Say follow bar. Not just say won't follow page. No. Now when me I follow, so I better than following. Not there's a bell there. Oh, can get bell now. So that anytime I come on live, no. Now when you're instantly, please. And who here? Pa na YouTube to so honam sardine. YouTube honam sardine. So that be idea. No be bo ha na man fan kwan koto ayi. Na me dey aba beto. Okay, Vakins, thank you. Vakins is doing the job. Vakins, Grace Boots, thank you. Aminya Kon Canada, Papa Kwame, Nana Boabasa, Princess Maneski Couture, thank you a lot. And full enjoyment. Oh, Michael, nothing. Into a crowd. Say I'm poor, I bet you this way. Yapon, Bian. Say I'm poor, I bet you this because Babylon 4 as I see young man. I'm poor now, I bet you so. Hey, I drop anything, I control when I'm sardine paid mine. I drop anything, being princess, being on now control when I'm sardine page, and so someone like and I'm subscribing. Say everything, but say a bomb pay say bye. Next week, need the name we are left from your right. Not just say you really solid stuff 4 years. Nabola best for ni nyanya hopon dum ya pamo mo makọ na mo ball to baby o mo wo mo ntimi ni pa ma me di do hie bi na bibia to atwa bibia eto atwa odofo mankwa medimani so nne nti apon ye mbonyum last.
Oh yes, more. I'm doctors, teachers, and nurses. Oh yes, more. I'm facing the high school for you, I say. Oh yes, more. I'm empty, yes, I did for yes. The Ghana now. No, I change. Oh my God, now. Oh, Nana. Oh yes, more. Nana. Free education, oh yes, more. Electricity, no sujina so. Oh yes, more.
Mami say.
2020 hat auch was Gutes. Innocence Movie Plus. Sie geben deinen Händen endlich wieder was zu schütteln. Und dieser Smoothie Plus sorgt dafür, dass immer Ingwer hier ist, der deine Abwehr unterstützt. Oh, und sie sind natürlich randvoll mit guten Dingen.
Yes, I'm going to be.
Versteckte Schnitte sind leichter zu filmen, als man glaubt. Hier zum Beispiel filme ich mich am linken.
baby, 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 come on, baby, Tiama, Obi Sawage.
You dear free please. Try for December. I'm coming back again. I'm coming back. Maybe I just mini voting. My mom betray me who mini vote. But I'm coming back just for the solo cool. The solo cool quantity. Miss Ababy. Miss Ababy. I'm quiet about Jenny. So please, if I say, oh, yeah, juice flask now. Let me know. And I know some so people who have issues you want to discuss. No, people sent me some messages. Some people are going through a lot. Now, you can send me a message. We can discuss. There will be a self-person and fan to page. Some people want me so charming. So I bet him that's all. So I love you. I'm really fee set number 1. But mo normal places need there. Will be a papa mawa. I was a Ottoman. I'm on Tomano. No matter the party, so ya koko, so ya dena senipa no aboa mo a one be boa mo amontoma no, but the head in there I still remain incumbent, non-changing. Nam Sardine, the state girlfriend or no, on fire dance and behamo. On fire dance and behamo adwene. Girlfriend, I'm relaxing. And I feel I'm 110 evidence be anti-Mr. number 1 there. It still remains number 1 on the ballot box. We drew one and go show more mechanical any more mobo. We drew a 1 now the one who could drew ya nana dear team so with your cousin say with you so but seem so no more mechanic forget them. Neko baby. I love you nana himma santua tiamo tanto Bella Francis yeah oh yeah. I look fabulous, thank you. I look sweet, thank you. I love everybody. Please continue to support this page, you know. More like and move follow. Bye bye. Why? I can't make one. Can you bet you solo car my diachi? And so I keep that phone in. Or see a journey for show. Okay. Thank you. Love you. Bye.